Check if two unordered lists are equal. I'm looking for an easy and quick way to determine if two unordered lists contain the same elements. For example, I'm hoping to do this without using a map.
Python has a built-in data type for an unordered collection of hashable things called a set. If you convert both lists to sets, the comparison will be unordered. Documentation on set. Edit Mbwaka points out that you want to check for duplicates. Set ignores these, so you need a similar data structure that also keeps track of the number of items in each list. This is called a multi-set. The best approximation in the standard library is a collections.counter.
You want to see if they contain the same elements, but don't care about the order. You can use a set. But the set object itself will only contain one instance of each unique value and will not preserve order. So, if tracking duplicates at length is important, you probably want to also check the length.
If elements are always nearly sorted as in your example, then built-in .sort, team sort, should be fast. If you don't want to sort in place, you could use sorted. In practice, it might always be faster than collections.counter, but despite asymptotically O and N, time being better than O and asterisk log N for .sort. Measure it if it is important.
Copying from here, check if two unordered lists are equal. I think this is the best answer for this question, because it is better than using counter as pointed in this answer. X.sort sorts X, which is a side effect. Sorted X returns a new list.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.